Hi everyone. So let's look at what's new in this week's update. So as every week we've started adding more and more kits, and now you can see this public kit list has grown a lot and will continue to grow on a weekly basis. Using kits continues to be extremely easy. You just browse through it as soon as you see something you like, say a ring of fire, you just tap on it, it gets added to my palette, and all I have to do is then place it in my world. And when I hit play, it will do what it's been uh, created to do. And in addition to that, also remember that it's very easy to go and modify these kits. So most of these kits will have parameters that you can adjust very easily. So you say I want this to produce 32 bullets instead. Very easy to do that. And in addition to that, you can always go and look at the rules. Since the rules are made with the rule system, you can actually go and observe and look at the rules to learn from it. And if needed, also modify them. So that's with kits. In addition to that, we've also added some new abilities regarding checkpoints. So you can now load and save checkpoints directly through your custom rules. And let's see what we might create with that. So let's say I want to create an autosaver, right? And an autosaver is something that saves the game state every few seconds. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm just going to say game repeat every, let's just say for the sake of this demonstration, 5 seconds. All I need to do is I go to game and you'll see that two tokens at the bottom, load state and save state. So I can just say save state. Now all this will do is every 5 seconds it will save the state of the game as it is currently. So if the player dies, it will get restored to the previously saved state. And let's see a demonstration of this. So you can see the time up there. It's kind of like under 5 seconds. So now 5 seconds the game gets saved. If I go kill myself, it will now restore it to that previous state. So now you can create checkpoints and save and load state directly through your custom rules. And on the other hand, looking at the load token, let's see what we can do with that. Very simple. Let's just add this onto this button, right? So it's like this object button is pressed. All I need to do is say game load state. So now anytime a user presses this load button, it will load the previously saved or last saved state. So let's say at 5 seconds the first state will get saved. Now I press load and it restores it back to that state. So now very easy to create checkpoints or at least load and save state through your custom rules. And finally, you've also seen that now on the create page, we have these new buttons right here at the top. So the look of the My Games button has changed. It'll still take you to your same list of drafts and published, but we also have button to quickly and easily join the Discord and also learn from tutorials. So there'll be a growing list of tutorials, and if you have anything, any questions or any specific tutorials you want us to create, please just let us know in the Discord. So I'm excited to see what you all build with this new update.